Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Monday and I have had such a slow start to my day. I don't know what's been going on with me. I think I've talked about this a little bit, but I have just been feeling so off lately, just so exhausted, no motivation, just not feeling it whatsoever. Literally 1 p.m. right now and I have not done anything besides the bare minimum. Like I got up, I showered, I got ready, and then I ate, and that's pretty much it. Yesterday I told myself I was going to vlog today and have a productive day because I have a lot of things that I need to get done. As my morning was progressing and things were just not happening, I had thought to myself, I was like, okay, maybe I should just vlog tomorrow because I've already wasted so much of my day and But no, I am going to be saving this half-wasted day. I told myself I was going to be productive and get things done today, so that is what I'm going to do. I don't have any big things that I really need to get done. It's just like a bunch of things that I've been putting off, like things around the apartment, cleaning up. I need to go to the grocery store. I think I need to run a few other errands. I think I have a package in the package room waiting for me. It feels so good to just sit down and be filming a regular vlog again. It has been so long since I've just filmed like a day in my life type of vlog. All of my last videos have been moving videos, like from the packing to the actual moving to the decorating. I'm just so excited to be filming, and thank you thank you, a regular vlog. I am so excited. Okay, so like I just said, I believe there is a package waiting for me in the package room and I'm super excited for the package, so I'm gonna go down and get that first. And I think opening it and seeing everything inside will give me like an extra burst of like motivation to attack this day. I hate when I say like cringy motivational statements like that. Like, let me go attack this day. Shut up. Okay, also, look at my freaking kitchen counter right now. I have so many dishes to put away. Clearly, I let them build up a little bit, but I finally got the motivation to wash them all last night, and then obviously I let them dry overnight, and we gotta put those away today. I also see a recycling bag that I need to bring downstairs, and I should probably do that right now. This has been sitting here for like 2 days, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't have to bring my trash down here. There is chutes, but they closed the recycling one because I guess it kept getting like clogged with cardboard boxes. So they make us bring our recycling down. All right, I got my package. This is from the brand Lulus, and thank you so much to Lulus for sponsoring the try on haul portion of this video. I have missed doing clothing hauls on my channel. Summer is right around the corner, which means dress season is also right around the corner, and I don't know if I'm the only one that has this problem, but I never seem to have any cute dresses in my closet for the summertime, and then the summertime rolls around, things come up where I need a cute dress, and I don't have any cute dresses. So this year I decided to get ahead of that problem and start building my summer wardrobe. So the first thing is this adorable one-shoulder dress that has like a cutout on the stomach, and it goes down into like a midi length, maxi length dress. But this dress is so freaking cute and so soft, and I'm so excited to put it on because I just know it's gonna be the most comfortable thing ever. And then this next dress, I think this would be so perfect for a summer wedding. I am begging somebody in my life to get married so that I can go to a wedding. It's like silk with flowers, there's some like button details, and again, it's like a longer dress and it has a slit in it. This is another dress. I don't know whose wedding I'm shopping for, but I was like, this will be so cute to wear to a wedding, and I'm just manifesting that I'm going to weddings, okay? This is like a royal blue dress that has like 3D flowers on it. I am so obsessed with this. It's strapless. It actually has a slit in the back. This is just so perfect. I have genuinely been buying clothing in dresses from Lulus for as long as I can remember. My freshman year homecoming dress was actually from Lulus, and ever since then, I think I've been frequently going there if I ever need to look for a dress. They always just have the perfect dresses for any occasion, and especially summery ones. This is so cute. I go to so many country festivals in the summer, and I'm already planning my outfits for 2 that I'm for sure going to. Found this on the website and I could not resist. It's a little jean dress, and I thought this would be so cute with like a white pair of cowboy boots. Like, come on, this is so freaking cute. Okay, the next dress is this like cream colored one, and it kind of has like a waffle texture to it. It ties on the shoulders and then it just goes down into like a little flowy sundress. This will be the cutest little dress to wear to like brunch in the summertime. And then the final dress that I have is this, which I am so excited for this. It's like a new dress with white details, and again, it is a long dress. I've been loving long dresses. It has a nice big slit in the side, but wait for the back because that is the masterpiece. It has a really low back and it like ties so cute. And then I got some purses. This is the first purse. It's got a gold chain. You twist this to open it, and it's actually very spacious in there. Awesome. I got one more purse, and it is this green purse, which I have been obsessed with this color green lately. Again, it has gold hardware, and then you twist this and open it, and it's a purse. Then I have this little baggie of some accessories that I ordered. I got some jewelry, and this is so so cute. I ordered this little bow. This is so adorable. Honestly, this would be so cute with my outfit today. I just have like jeans on and this little pink t-shirt, which is very basic. But if I pulled my hair into like a half up, half down and put the bow in, that would really be cute. I got these gold like droplet shaped earrings. I got this little gold layered necklace set. I love minimal necklaces. Like I have 2 on right now. And then the last piece of jewelry is this set of little gold hoops. I love, oh, I don't even have any earrings in today. I just love wearing little gold hoops. Finally, we have some shoes. They're just this pair of like magenta heels and they tie up around your ankles and you can like tie a bow. Oh, these are so cute. I got this little basic pair of cream square-toed heels. They're just like little mini stiletto heels. These just look so classy and elegant. And finally, the last thing in here and the last pair of shoes I got is a pair of sandals for summer. They're just this white platform pair of sandals that has like this, I don't even know, like weaving, wickery, I don't know what the name of this is. I'm not sure. The bottoms are just brown and they're white and they're platform and they are so cute. I'm so thrilled with everything that I got. And if you guys are also looking for some new cute summer dresses or just clothing in general, you guys can click the first link in the description and use my code Bailey20 and you can get 20% off site-wide for first-time customers only. Thank you so much again to Lulus for sponsoring this try-on haul. And now let's get into putting these dishes away. I think that's the next thing that I should probably get done. All right, my dishes are put away. The kitchen needs to be cleaned a little more. Like I want to wipe down the counters and stuff today, but I'm going to do that a little bit later. I think right now I'm going to put my laundry away that's been sitting in the dryer for probably 3 days. Maybe I should fluff it up for a sec. I also just took this big box of garbage and recycling out of this room. This room is so scary. It's not even a room. It's basically a hallway. It's a little embarrassing, I'm not going to lie. It's like my laundry and storage all in one. I have like a bunch of random stuff up there. I have obviously stuff hanging. I have like my toolbox. I have extra paper towel and toilet paper. When I first moved in, I just put all of my recycling here because there was so many people moving in the same week that the recycling bin got full. And then I kind of just let the things sit here and I'm down to like that pile of things and that pile of things and then that box that I was just talking about. Awesome. Bruh. Remember how I said that these have been sitting in here for 3 days? Well, I thought that they were dry, and they were pretty much dry, but I think some of them, I don't think they dried all the way, and then they sat in here, so now they smell musty. All right, yes, I am going to wash these all again. Love that for me. This is so wonderful. I've just been waiting for my laundry to be done. I just did a quick cycle since I just need to get rid of the smell. That is like embarrassing to say, but y'all know like when something sits wet, it just gets that like musty, like towels will get it a lot. So I'm hoping the quick cycle gets rid of that little must. I think I might just run to the store now instead of waiting because there's still 15 minutes. I love living downtown, but the people in their cars, in their loud bikes, like shut up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the store. I need to go to the grocery store and Target. I'm gonna start with Target though, because I might be able to get the food that I need at Target. I have food and I have groceries right now, but there's a few things that I need to pick up. So it would be kind of annoying if I have to make like a whole separate grocery trip just for my few things. And I'm also gonna be gone this weekend. I'm going to visit my friends at school. So I'm not obviously going to be eating or needing food here. Well, I'm gonna be eating, just not here. I'm wearing my new purse from Lulus and I think it looks so good. And what's really cool is the strap is adjustable, so you can put it up here or you can pull the strap through and have it as like a long I have the hiccups. You can use it as like a long strap or you can put it over and use it as like a crossbody, and I think it is so, oh okay, I need to stop talking. These hiccups are gonna kill me. All right, we've made it into the car. I haven't driven my car in like 4 days. I honestly don't even leave my apartment unless I absolutely have to. Made it to Target, guys. Really windy, but it's so nice out. It's like 60 degrees and I'm loving it. I stopped at Tropical Smoothie Cafe because I have not had it in so long and I'm just craving a kiwi quencher smoothie so bad. I also got a quesadilla because I feel like I should eat, and I do have food I can make at home, but by the time I get there and I actually sit down and make it, it's gonna take forever and I'm starving. Here she is. If you guys have not had Tropical Smoothie Kiwi Quencher and you have a tropical smoothie in your area, go get it right now. It's so good. It literally tastes like a daiquiri. Like, it is so, like, there's no way that this is good for me. Then I got my quesadilla. I can't decide if I want to eat it here or take it with me. Also, by the way, I'll do a little Target haul for you when I get back to my place. In our other Target on the other side of town, there is like a whole grocery area. There's like fruit and, you know, veggies and just like produce. There was no produce at the Target that I just went to. Was not able to get really anything, but I got a few things, I guess. Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. As if I didn't walk in, set up my camera, walk back out, and then come back. So the first thing I got is a new cutting board because I only have one of them, and anytime that I'm making meat, like chicken or whatever, and I'm like cutting up raw meat, I have to like wash and dry that cutting board to be able to cut up like veggies or whatever. So I needed to get a second one just so it makes cooking easier. And then the next thing is bagged popcorn. I don't actually even know what it's called, just like little popcorn baggies. I've been craving popcorn in every single time that I watch a show or a movie at night. For some reason, I just am craving popcorn. And then I got these two plastic wine glasses. They're really small, but I just don't have any plastic ones, so I thought that these would be good, and they were like $3. And then I did get some oven roasted turkey breasts, like deli meat for sandwiches. This was like one of the only things on my grocery list that I actually found. And then I love these sour cream and cheddar sour cream ruffles. Okay, and then I got some Woman's Daily probiotics, and I also got this detox. It's like a gut health probiotic. And the last thing I got is this. Okay, I just tweaked out because my camera stopped recording, and it didn't like die or just stop recording, but it said that my card couldn't be accessed or something. So I got scared. I thought my memory card like went corrupt or whatever, or got corrupted. Oh, I've seen these. It looks like this. It's a little ball. This part pops off, and then inside it's like this. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. It's this weird, sticky, gooey stuff. Okay, this is super sick, actually. So instead of it being like a lint roller where you like take off the pieces of sticky paper and like throw them away, this little sticky ball grabs all the lint or the dust or whatever, and then you can take the ball out and wash it and let it dry, and it gets sticky again. Kind of like sticky boobs, like bra type of situation. You can like keep reusing it. This thing is sick. I definitely am happy that I got this. I just saw it and I was so intrigued for some reason. So there is my Target haul. Let's see if my clothes are dry, finally, after 15 days. See, this still feels damp. Guys, I promise I know how to do my laundry. Like, I always have done my own laundry. When I was living with my parents, I did my own laundry. Like, I know what I'm doing. I don't get it. I even clicked the more dry setting because it was on like the medium. You can do less dry, medium, or more dry. Okay, if my clothes aren't dry now, I'm gonna have some serious problems. Okay, I think they're dry. Why are my jeans still wet? Guys, I think my dryer is broken. My mom and I decided we want to go get lunch today, so I put on a cute dress and I just curled my hair, and I'm gonna do my makeup, and then she's gonna come pick me up and we're gonna go get lunch, and then I have some more work to do later. As usual, I did not intend on this being a multi-day vlog, but that seems to happen to me a lot. You might be like, where are you at and why is it so echoey in there? And that is because I am in my second bedroom that you guys really have not seen unless you just watched like the original like empty apartment tour. I think I've decided to turn turn this room into like a get ready with me room, but right now it is very bare and empty, and it's just because I haven't had time to do anything with it. Yeah, I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I will talk to you guys later. I'm so sad because when I woke up this morning and looked outside, it was so sunny and beautiful. I was like, I need to be outside. I need to go sit outside somewhere and eat lunch. And now it just started raining. And I looked at the forecast and it says like off and on rain for the rest of the day. So kind of disappointing, but I still want to wear this summery outfit because I want to, and I think that I look cute. My mom just got here to pick me up. She's gonna drive and we're gonna go to one of my favorite cafes, and I'm very excited because I've been craving it for a while. So let's go. All right, guys, we made it to the restaurant. I tried to take Instagram pictures and it just started raining and getting super windy on us, so we're scratching that idea for now. I'm gonna lose my mind. It's so windy. It's raining. Wanted to get Instagram pictures. Started raining. Super windy. We go into the cafe. It's closed today. There's a sign on the door that says, sorry for the inconvenience. Eat my...
No wonder there's no cars.
I forgot to pick up my camera when we got in there to eat because I was starving and things were just not going well. We had the weather issues. The place we wanted to go to was closed, so I kind of just forgot to vlog in there. But the food was delish. Now we're gonna try to find a new place to take pictures because I really want to get a cute picture in my outfit's hot. Okay, see ya. Hello, I'm back home and I was just crying. Not really sure. I think I'm just feeling a lot of emotions for some reason, and I could not get a damn Instagram picture, which I know that's not why I was crying. Like, I wasn't crying over that. I think it was just like a buildup of things and just like the day not going how I wanted it to. And then I was just spiraling, thinking about the things that I need to get done tonight and tomorrow. And then I was just feeling a little bit stressed. Sorry, not super great, but I'm feeling better now. And my brother's here to pick up his friend's golf clubs. I have a golf simulator in the basement, and him and his friends and like my dad come over all the time to use it. And his friend left his clubs here because the last time they were here, they went out to the bars after. So obviously they didn't bring their clubs to the bar. So I'm gonna run these clubs down to him, and then I think me and my brother might go and try to take some more pictures just because, I don't know, it was like cloudy and they just like weren't looking good. And I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. And now I'm feeling a little bit better. So we're gonna try again. It's been hours. I've been editing. I don't know why I didn't pick up my camera and update you. I think it's around 6:30 maybe, and I'm going to make myself some dinner. And then I'm gonna continue to edit until my boyfriend maybe comes over. It kind of depends how much editing I'm able to get done after I eat. But I think I'm gonna end off this video because I don't know what it's turned into. I was crying earlier. I think it was good. I didn't do as much as I was hoping for. Like, there's still a lot to do, but I just need to get this video done and edit it. So that's kind of my main priority. I think I need to get the video to my manager tomorrow. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you guys are interested in checking out Lulus, you guys can click the first link in the description and use my code Bailey20. And if you're a first time customer, you can get 20% off, which is awesome because Lulus literally has the most like attainable, luxurious dresses for summer. Like, they look so expensive and they feel so nice, but they are genuinely priced at such a good price point. So definitely check it out. And yeah, I will see you guys next Sunday. Love ya.